Oh boy! Today we're doing something called Captain's Blood. It sounds exciting, but it's basically just rum with lime. Pretty typical. Delightful, I'm sure, but also not that wild. Anyways, to get started, we start off with 1 part lime juice. And then it said 2 to 3 parts of Jamaican rum. This time we are using apple tins. It's not very much left, so we'll see how far we get. We're gonna go for 3 parts, baby. Made it. And there's not much of this left, so we're just gonna...
Oh my stars!
And then, my worst enemy, bitters, is the thing that makes this maybe not as good. Because I know lime is good in rum. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta do some research on bitters, because I know there's different types, and I just have the one, so... Maybe there's others that don't ruin drinks. Obviously, I added ice. I don't think you need to be told. You're smart. You're cool. You're watching this video. I'll pour this in a glass. Some people would like strain the ice and then put fresh ice in. Seems like a waste of ice. But I'll have more ice, why not? I mean, it looks like a bazillion other drinks.
Yeah. It's actually not bad.
I mean, lime and rum is classic combo.
Yeah.
Very good for a hot day.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's shocking. Like, it just tastes real smooth. It's not too much lime. The bitters don't come through badly.
Yeah, I was nervous about the bitters.
That is, Captain's Blood is what it is. Anyways, like and subscribe. Tell your friends, you know, whoever watches this, every once in a while we get a bunch of views. There's like one video that has hundreds of views. Tell someone that this was fun to watch. If you want.
If you think it was fun to watch.
Yeah, if you think it was bad to watch, don't tell anyone. Keep your mouth shut. Anyways, good luck.
Chances are we know where